This is CMF Phone 1, and today I will share a few useful camera tips and tricks for this device. So in the beginning, the camera of this phone offers the Pro mode, or as it is precisely called on this device, Expert mode. Inside the Expert mode, you are able to manually set the most important camera parameters: the exposure, ISO value, shutter speed, white balance, and focus distance. So if you would like to get some particular result out of your camera which is not allowed for automatically, or you are simply not satisfied with how camera automatically treats those options, the Expert mode is a way to go for you. Then you can also conveniently change the exposure inside the viewfinder by tapping literally anywhere here in the viewfinder and moving the sun icon to the bottom to reduce the exposure, or to the top if you would like to increase it and make your picture brighter. I am terribly sorry. I beg your pardon for the focus problems. I have no idea what is going on with my camera, but hopefully it will not continue. Anyway, now if you will, inside the photo mode, you can obviously change the photo parameters by opening the options like that. Here you can enable the motion photo mode, which is going to, take your photos as live motion photos, as you can see. Then in the options you can also switch between 12 megapixels and 50 megapixels lens. So let's take a picture of the channel logo in the 12 megapixel mode, then switch to 50 megapixel lens and take the identical image or photo, whatever. So this one should be the regular photo mode, 12 megapixels. That's the furthest I can zoom in, and you can judge yourself how many details it retains or preserves. And when it comes to high-res mode, you can clearly see already that the level of junk that it preserves and the level of the tiniest details is way higher, and the furthest zoom distance is also much higher as well, or is significantly increased. And if we will compare the photos definition, you'll see that the high-res or 50 megapixel photo has the 6x8K resolution, while regular photo mode provides you with 3K by 4K here. So anyway, now let's also learn how to change the color mode of your camera. So if you are not satisfied with the colors or how the camera interprets colors, you can switch between normal and vivid color modes. You can see the difference yourself once again on this logo. To be perfectly honest with you, I am not exactly sure whether natural or vivid mode translates the color of this logo better, but once again it's up to you to decide how you would like to have your colors in this camera. Then if you will go into the camera settings here, you can switch on the QR code scanner option, which will, once enabled, automatically detect and process the QR codes inside your viewfinder. Very convenient to scan QR codes using the regular camera app of your phone without having a need to resort to using some third-party QR code scanners or Google Lens, for example. You can also very typically enable level tool to make sure that you hold your camera steady and straight in relation to horizontal. You can also do what else? You can also switch on the tap to take a photo shooting method, which once active allows you to tap literally anywhere at the viewfinder to take a picture. So if the shutter button location is not convenient for you, you can enable this option and take pictures this way. And well, as far as this little video goes, that'll be it. If you have any more questions, do not hesitate to use the comment section below this video. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.